Jenny Harries has hit back at the BBC's health editor Hugh Pym for questioning the UK's approach to securing personal protective equipment (PPE). The BBC journalist questioned whether the government was fully prepared for the coronavirus to be declared a pandemic, especially in regards to the amount of PPE available. But Dr. Jenny Harries, the Deputy Chief Medical Officer, hit back, and said, "Let's have an adult conversation about this." Mr. Pym asked, "Can you comment on the reports today that supplies of PPE were allowed to run down in the couple of years before the pandemic, and why was more not done to get hold of more PPE in March and early February?" The Education Secretary responded first and said there has been an enormous national effort to secure PPE from right around the globe. He continued, "But you know, the government, from the first moment that we were in a situation where the scientific advice was highlighting to us that we were facing a real challenge in terms of coronavirus, and this could potentially evolve into a pandemic, every resource of government has been deployed to not just expanding what we need in terms of PPE, but also ventilators, and we've seen," she said, "so I think we need to step back a little bit and start from the beginning of this, which is the UK, regardless of the position that we may be in now, has been an international exemplar in preparedness. So the fact that there is a pandemic influenza stockpile is considered a very high-quality mark of a prepared country in international terms. What we have had is a huge demand on our supply, and I think we have had, if I might say from my own professional perspective, we could perhaps have a more adult and more detailed conversation about PPE supplies." She added, "It is important to remember that although there may be elements of distribution problems across the UK at different times and at different places, this is a huge pull on services which we have never seen before. We have managed actually, despite signalling many potential shortfalls to the government has faced heavy criticism for its lack of PPE equipment, as frontline NHS staff were told on Friday they may have to reuse disposable PPE or seek alternative clothing if they run out of supplies." Communities Secretary Robert Jenrick aimed to dispel the criticism yesterday, when he announced a shipment of 84 tons of PPE was on its way to frontline workers. He said, "Supply in some areas, particularly gowns and certain types of masks and aprons, is in short supply at the moment, and that must be an extremely anxious time for people working on the front line. But they should be assured that we are doing everything we can to correct this issue and to get them the equipment that they need." But the shipment, meant to be arriving from Turkey, was delayed on Sunday. A government spokeswoman said, "We are continuing to work to ensure the shipment is